Hello friends, my name is Kaustup Patel. Today we are talking about digital India. Digital India is the flagship program launched by Shri Narendra Modi ji by the government of India in July 1, 2015. It is aimed at in transforming the India into the digital empowered society and the knowledge economy. The inactive skills of the technology and to ensure the government services boost digital infrastructure and promotes the digital libraries. uh, keys objectives digital infrastructure, uh, broadband connectivity. the inactive the inactive the inactive focuses on the promoting the high speed internet connectivity across the country. Key projects includes BharatNet aims that the contact of all 25,000 gram panchayat governments, local governments bodies with high speed fiber high speed fiber optic cables, ensuring the rural areas and the not left behind the digital revolutions. National Optical Fiber Network NOFN ensures the connectivity of the infrastructure and the grasses of the level and the grasses of the level. Public Wi-Fi expanding public Wi-Fi hotspot in the cities to towns and the public space to improve the net across all over uh, internet access for everyone. uh, smart smart cities smart cities development of digital infrastructure to improve urban living through the better betterment agreement of the resources and services. Second one, digital services, e-government of government of services through the digital platforms to make them more and accessible and uh, transporting. The examples like includes the digital lockers provides provides the security of online space for storing and share the documents such as educational certificates, properties, records and more. Digital Hmm. Digital aims uh, to make the district level services available online, uh, reducing the needs for physical visits to the government officers. Online services deliveries, various services such as tax filing, passport passport applications and unity bill payment and have been digitalized to ensure that the efficiency uh, digital payment digital payment system uh, promoting the cashless transactions through the indicatives like the unified payment in phases of UPI, digital wallets, and the Aadhaar card enabled payment system AEPS. mm, Third one, digital library, the and skills training programs of uh, government uh, government programs aims to train the citizens, uh, especially in rural areas, to use the digital techniques effectively. uh, Thank you.